welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to show you a super easy chicken recipe that you could do in the crock pot. This recipe is called Crockpot Chicken Lime Cilantro. Okay, and I only used 3 or 4 chicken breasts. I used a can of diced tomatoes, organic diced tomatoes, and then a jar of salsa. You could use mild, medium, it's up to you, and a packet of taco seasoning. So instead of putting it straight in the crock pot, I put it in one of those freezer bags. You could use them the next day, or you could just freeze them, put them in the freezer, and defrost them whenever you're ready. Or you could even put them in the crock pot if it's freezed up. It doesn't matter. So what I did is I put in the chicken breasts. I put I put 3 or 4 pieces of chicken breast. Make sure they're flat. Make sure my bag doesn't fold. And it's very quick and easy. My husband was looking for something and he interrupted my lovely video. So then I'm going to open a can of diced tomatoes. They're organic. I bought them in Costco. So let me just open that. I did not drain the juice. I like the juice because I know the chicken breast brings out the juice too, but I like excessive juice. I love the juice that goes on the chicken, so I threw that in there. And that's something extra because I saw the original recipe that they only used the jar of salsa. So threw that away. Excuse my attire. It's too hot in California, and it's something comfortable that I had to wear when I'm cooking or preparing stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to put a pack of taco seasoning. Couldn't open it, jeez. Throw all of it in there. Okay. Then I open the La Victoria salsa. I think it's medium. I put the whole jar in there. That already has onions, chili peppers, and salt. But the taco seasoning has salt too. So let's see. I'm going to add some seasonings of my own. Of course, you need to put on a taco lime. And the lime, I'm actually going to put it when I'm ready to put it in the crock pot. I'm going to throw it in the bag. And also chopped cilantro. I like it very, very fresh. So I'm going to put some oregano. I love oregano. Okay. I'll put lots of it too. And I'm going to add, I guess that's it. I thought I added something else to it. No. So now I'm ready to seal it. Make sure all the air is out. And when I do that, I put it flat on the surface. And I kind of mix it up just to make sure all the juices are mixed. And yeah, it's ready to go. You put it flat on inside your freezer. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick, easy recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you guys want to see more of these recipes. It's something very quick, for us busy moms. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.